Remove the window control switch. After having removed the panel from the body of the door, we will go to the back, and there is how this mounts on here. Tools that we need: flathead screwdriver and a door panel removal. Whatever you have as a door panel, this is my plastic removal tool. I will have in the description. If I forget to, please remind me in the comment section that I did not put in the description of where I got this HowTo. This is actually one of the best tools out there for not damaging door panels and dashes and still be able to remove things in your vehicle. So we'll get one of these, whichever one works for us. Okay, let's start. We'll go in here. We need to pry the window control out. Again, prying it right from under here and then separating it. And prying right here, and that separates it. And that's how you get that switch off. And that's the switch. And to put the switch back in, you just put it back over there and snap it, and that fits right back in. If you have any questions about how to do this or any other thing about Prius, as you can see, this is a donor Prius. If you need any parts for Prius, be sure to contact me, and I sure will be able to help. Hope this is helpful to every one of you. Please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.